Hello guys, and welcome to my first Unreal Engine 5 tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to create a dot for your first person character. At first you have to search for a dot picture. I'm using this here. Go to your content drawer, to content, press right click and create a new folder. Just call it UI for user interface. Open it, then go to your folder where you have your dot and drag the dot into the UI folder. Then you press right click, go to user interface and create a widget blueprint. You can call the widget whatever you want, but I'm calling it ._FPS for first person character. Open it. At first we have to create a canvas panel. Drag it into here. Then you open your content drawer and drag the dot into the canvas panel. Then you go to anchors and place it in the middle of the screen, so your dot is perfectly in the middle of your screen. Then zoom in, and now you have to place the dot perfectly in the anchor. Like this. Then you press compile and save, and then you can close the widget. Now you have to open your first person character. I like to search for my first person character in the open blueprint class, or you can also find your first person character here in the content drawer. Then you have to search for event begin play. The problem now is we can use the event begin play we can only connect it with one thing. So in this here our event begin play is connected to a cast to player controller. So to use the event begin play for many things at the same time, there is something called a sequence. So the sequence is there to use the event begin play for many things at the same time. So you just drag the event begin play into the sequence. Then from then 0 you go here and type in create widget. Don't forget to connect this here. Now you press on select class and search for your dot you created before. Mine is called .fps. Then drag out of the pin from the create widget and write add to viewport. Connect the return value to the target. Then to keep everything organized, you can press left click and select it too, and press C to create a comment. You can call it dot for FPS. Perfectly. Then press compile and save, close, and then press play, and then you see we got our dot for a first person character. It's a little bit small, but you can just go in the widget and just scale it up and place it in the middle of the anchor again. I hope you liked my little tutorial. Leave a subscribe and like there, and I see you in the next Unreal Engine 5 tutorial.